They ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine, but you just can't get into it because they would never understand.
What's up, everyone? So, new build, obviously. Just got it here. That itself was a DIY project by itself, because I was alone, and then this thing is heavy as hell. So I barely pulled it. Had to drive 2 hours, but I got it. It's here. Gonna drop it off and then start taking it apart, obviously, and then like seeing how the damage is. So far, it doesn't seem like it has frame damage because like the area there is like aluminum going into steel, so the aluminum part's bent. So I'll just replace that. But yeah, right now I'm just gonna back it out, park it right there, same spot as the Audi was, and we'll get to work on that, on disassembling and making a list of parts. So let's just do that. We have a problem because that wheel, every single control arm is broken, pretty much right here. Every single one is broken, so the wheel is just kind of loose, and I can't back it out because it's hitting everything, and I can't necessarily move it either. So let's just keep trying, and yeah, I guess I'll show you guys how I'm gonna do it. It's gonna be fun, considering that I'm by myself. Every time I try to back out, this is what happens. I hit a tree. This is the damage in the front, which is the biggest one. And then airbags deployed on the driver's side. That's basically it. But the back and everything else is perfect. It only has 28,000 miles. And the best part, I got it for $2,500. So, yeah. When I come back, we're gonna be taking it apart. Alright guys, so I'm back by the BMW. I'm gonna start taking these parts out. All this bent stuff. All this stuff. Radiator. Seeing what's under there. Boom. The airbags are cut out. The car looks pretty good. Carbon fiber inside. So we'll basically have to replace 3 airbags, driver's knee, and the curtain airbag up here. And yeah, so I'm gonna lift the car up, take off all this stuff, and then yeah, we're gonna make a list of what I need, and we'll go get it.
fine, but you just can't get into it because they would never understand.
Alright, so we got the car taken apart right here, and I took up the strut thing. The strut bent right here. Support. So basically this moved like about an inch, I would say. So I'm gonna need to pull it out. I'm gonna need to pull that out, and then I already here started pulling right a little bit. That's where the teeth things are from. It didn't work, so I'm gonna have to end up cutting this little piece out and straightening it. And so basically, next episode we're gonna be getting the parts, cutting that piece out, and basically straighten the frame. And then we'll get all the pre-parts, you know, the hood, the fender, and everything else. But for this episode, that'll be it. We got the car taken apart, saw the damage. Until next episode, basically. So that'll be it. See you guys later. Like, comment, subscribe. Show support if you like what I'm doing here. And see you next time.